AI agents, agentic workflows, React, you name it, people are buzzing about it. But honestly, most explanations are either drowning in tech jargon or so basic they leave you scratching your head. So today I am breaking down the way I wish someone had explained it to me. No tech background needed, just some ChatGPT experience under your belt. We'll go through three levels: the large language models, AI workflows, and AI agents, and real life examples only. So let's dive in. The level one is the large language models, LLMs, and we start simple. So the tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, they are powered by large language models, or we call it LLMs. At heart, they do one thing. You give text, they spit back text. Picture this: you type a prompt and you get a response. So ask GPT for a polite coffee chat email, it nails it. Probably politer than you will ever be. But here's the limit. You ask when's my next coffee chat, it flops. Why? Because no access to your calendar, no personal data, and it only reacts when you poke it. Passive mode. So key traits: limited info access, waits for your input. Now hold on to it as we level up to the level 2 AI workflows. If we tell it now for personal events, check my Google Calendar first, then answer. That's an AI workflow. Ask about your coffee chat with anyone. It pulls your calendar, feeds it to the LLM, and gives the right answer. But again, follow up. You ask what's the weather that day, crash. Why? You predefine the path, check calendar, done. That's control logic. Add weather APIs or text to speech, still rigid. You are the boss calling every shot. Quick side note on RAG, retrieval augmented generation. It sounds fancy, but it just looks stuff up before answering. Pure workflow, no agent magic. Now, if I were to give a real workflow example, take this: I dump news links in Google Sheets, our tool summarizes them, LLM crafts social posts, runs daily on autopilot, powerful, but every step my rules, post flops on LinkedIn, back to tweaking prompts myself, no smarts there. But here's the game changer, which is level 3 AI agents. In that workflow, what am I doing? Reasoning, which tool acting, using it. An AI agent swaps me out, the LLM takes the wheel. What makes it agentic? It reasons best way to tackle this, acts, grab this tool, observer, did it work? It rates, try again smarter, that's react, reason plus act. No fixed path, it thinks, tries, checks, loops until done. And real world agent examples: say you are searching a huge video archive for Skyr. Agent doesn't need tags, it reasons what a Skyr looks like, scans footage, sports clips, indexes, delivers, autonomous, and done. So, a quick recap might be that LLM involves input and output, passive no tools, and workflow involves input, then follows fixed steps and output, tools but you steer. And what agent involves is goal, reason, act, observe, iterate, LLM drives. The shift: LLM becomes the brain, and if this cleared up agents without the hype, you are ahead of the curve.